Hey guys, it's Dave, and today I have an unboxing for you. This is from murat-rc. I'm not sure how you'd say that, but it's a front and rear LED kit for the Traxxas Maxx. Let's see what's in the box. Alright. Well, as you can see, LEDs. I'm not sure if that's front or rear. What else is in here? Another set. Have a Y harness and some zip ties. Well, let's get this installed and see what it looks like. I don't see any kind of instructions, so I'm going to have to figure this out on my own. Stick around, guys. Well, here's what is going on. This is my Widemaxx, the Maxx V2. I'm thinking this would be a cheap alternative to the Traxxas version. This thing was about $47 shipped. I got them from Poland. It took about 15 days to get them here. I can't wait to see what they look like. Alright guys, I got a battery in here, and as you can see, that was a pretty simple install. The shorter wire will go towards the front, of course, so it could reach a receiver box. The Y harness, I just plugged it into an auxiliary, and the longer one goes to the back. Pretty simple, easiest install yet. So all I gotta do is get some zip ties and clean this up a little bit. I'm liking this, guys. Well, there's what they look like from the front. As you can see, there's 3 of them in there. Nice clean install. Oh, there's your back one. It's tucked away pretty good. It looks like it's not going to get damaged in your normal bashing. There's what they look like lit up. Man, they're bright. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh yeah, there you go. Red in the back, white in the front. Well guys, there you have it. What do you think? I'm loving it. Well, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you next time.